So somebody is strong in one aspect, the other is stronger in the other aspect.
Sumayaw si Kevin.
Second place, so if I call in the second place, you know the first place already. Champion na muna. Okay, first place, the champion. For the Worship Arts Network Convention 2026. Second na muna ulit. Second place goes to District 2. District 3. Second place, please come here. Second place is District 2. Receive your prize. Come down quickly, quickly, quickly. Very close, of course. Only 2 points, I think, difference. Congratulations, District 2. Tinagawa na ng inyong district pastor ng first class. Lazarus daw, nasaan na? Nasa gitna. Buti hindi nasumugay si Lazarus sa kortina kanina. Okay, compress. Stay in the middle. Where's Lazarus?